Welcome to the video lecture series on chemical process plant design and economics. Myself, Jaimin Pandya, Assistant Professor in Chemical Engineering Department of LJIET Institute of Engineering and Technology. So let's continue with the chapter depreciation. In this lecture, we'll talk about the numerical based on sum of your digit method. So let's calculate the various numerical which based on sum of your digit method. So in this numerical, given that a laboratory piece of equipment was purchased for $35,000 and is estimated to be used for the 5 years, with salvage value of $5,000, tabulate the annual depreciation allowance and year end of the value for the 5-year using. So we have to calculate depreciation using the straight line method and sum of year digit method. So let's calculate this numerical. Depreciation from straight line method, that can be given by D is equal to V minus Vs upon service life N. So what is original cost in statement? In statement given that original cost of piece of equipment which is a $35. So $35 minus the salvage value of that equipment. Salvage value, that is a $5,000. So that's minus $5,000 upon service life for this equipment which is a 5 year. So divide by 5. So by calculating this term, we will get D is equal to 6,000 rupees. So it becomes for all 5 years. So can say that D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3 is equal to D4 is equal to D5 is equal to 6,000 rupees. In straight line method, depreciation is a fix for each year. That's why we can write D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3 is equal to D4 is equal to D5 is equal to 6,000 rupees. So in statement, given that we have to tabulate annual depreciation for the each year. So we have to make table to find out the depreciation for each year. So let's first write year in which there is a 5 year 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is for 5th year. Second, which is a depreciation amount which is a fixed for each year, that can be given by 6,000 for first year, second year, third year, fourth year and 5th year. So depreciation amount is a fixed for each year. Then cumulative depreciation, that can be given by 6,000, then 6,000 plus 6,000 which makes 12,000, 12,000 plus this 6,000 which makes 18,000, 18,000 plus 6,000 which makes 24,000 and 24,000 plus 6,000 which makes 30,000. Now we have to find the book value for each year. Book value formula, that can be given by VA is equal to V minus A into B, where A stands for the recent year. So if I want to find out the book value at first year, then V1 is equal to V minus A into D. V, which means original value of equipment is a $35,000 minus A, which is of 1 year. We are going to find out for first year, that's why I write 1. Then depreciation, which is a 6,000. So by calculating this term, V1 is equal to, we get $29,000. So after end of the first year, we will get $29,000. Similarly, if we are going to calculate for the second year, we will get $23,000. For third year, we will get $17,000. For fourth year, we get $11,000, and for fifth year, we will get $5,000. So this is the value at end of the 5th year for that particular equipment by using straight line method. So this becomes our answer. Now calculate same numerical using sum of your digit method, because in statement given that we have to find out the depreciation using straight line method which already defined, and now have to find out the depreciation using sum of your digit method, and we have to find out for the each year. So let's use sum of your digit method. In sum of your digit method, let's consider step by step. Step 1 that can be used for the find depreciation amount or consider depreciable amount which is represented by DC. So it becomes DC is equal to V minus VS. V which is our original cost which is a $35 minus VX which means salvage value which is a $5,000. So 35,000 minus 5,000 which makes $30,000. So this makes our depreciable cost. Now calculate the step 2. For step 2 we have to find out sum of the year. So sum of the year that represented by S, and we have to calculate the sum of year by using service life. In statement given that service life of that particular equipment is 5 years. So we have to calculate sum of year that can be given by 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So by summation of these we will get 15. Or can easily find out using this equation. S is equal to n plus 1 into n by 2. So let's put the value of n which is a service life which is a 5 plus 1 multiplied by 5 by 2. So this becomes 6, 6 by 2 which makes 3, 3 multiplied by 5 which makes 15. So we'll get same answer. So if we want to calculate by this, then can also calculate by this method, and if we want to calculate by using this equation, then can also use this equation for the calculating of sum of your digits. Now let's talk about the third step. In step 3 we are going to calculate depreciation for each year. So let's first write for the first year. For first year depreciation that can be given by D equal to DC multiplied by X upon S, where D is a depreciation, DC is a depreciation cost, S which means sum of the digit year, and X is a remaining year. So for the first year, if we are going to find out for first year, then it becomes D1 is equal to 30,000 multiplied by remaining year. For first year there is all 5 years remaining, that's why 5 upon 15. So by calculating we will get 10,000 rupees or consider $10,000. So this becomes our depreciation for the first year. And now let's calculate book value for the first year. For first year book value that can be given by V1 is equal to V minus D1. V which means original cost which is a $35,000 minus D1 which is a 10,000. So it makes $25,000. So end of the first year value of that equipment becomes $25,000. Now let's calculate for the second year. For second year D2 that can be given by DC multiplied by X upon S. Depreciable cost which is a 30,000 which already find in previous section multiplied by X which means remaining year. For second year the remaining year is a 4, sum of your digit which is a 15. So we'll get depreciation for second year which is a 8,000 rupees. Now how to find out the book value for the second year, that represented by V2. V2 is equal to V1 minus D2. So what is the book value for the first year? Book value for the first year which is a 25,000 minus depreciation for second year which is a 8,000. So V2 is equal to $17,000. So after completion of second year, value of that equipment makes $17,000. Now let's talk about the third year. We have to calculate for third year, fourth year, and fifth year. So let's calculate for the third year. For third year, first we have to find out the depreciation amount. Depreciation amount That represented by D3. D3 is equal to DC multiplied by X upon S, where DC is a depreciable amount, which is a $30,000 multiplied by remaining year for third year, which is a 3 upon 5. So by calculating this, we'll get D3 is equal to 6,000 rupees. So this is a depreciation for the third year. So there is no rupees, there is a dollar. So we have to write $6,000. So let's calculate book value for the third year. Book value that represented by B3 is equal to B2 minus D3. Book value for the second year, which is $17,000. So let's write here $17,000 minus $6,000. So it makes $11,000. So it becomes book value for third year, or can say that $11,000 is the amount for the particular equipment for this third year. Now calculate for the fourth year. For fourth year, depreciation that can be calculated by D4 is equal to DC multiplied by X upon S. DC, which means depreciable cost, which is 30,000 multiplied by X upon S, where X is equal to remaining year for the fourth year, which is 2 upon sum of digit, which is 15. By calculating this sum, you will get $4,000. So this is a depreciable amount for fourth year, which is $4,000. Using this can calculate book value for fourth year. Book value for fourth year that can be given by V4 is equal to V3 minus D4. So using this can calculate the book value for fourth year that can be given by 11,000, which is the book value for the third year minus $4,000 is equal to 7,000. So it becomes 7,000 value, or can say that $7,000 for the end of the fourth year. So cost of that equipment at end of the fourth year is become $7,000. So now let's calculate for the fifth year. For fifth year, depreciation for fifth year that can be given by DC multiplied by X by S, where DC, which is the 30,000, remaining year service life is 5 years, so there is only 1 year remaining for fifth year. 1 upon 15 is equal to $2,000. So this is the depreciation for the fifth year, and book value for fifth year that can be given by V5 is equal to V4 minus D is equal to 7,000 minus 2,000. So we'll get $12,000. So this is the depreciation cost, or can say that book value at end of the fifth year for that particular equipment. So this is all about today's lecture. I am completing my lecture here. Thank you.